Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Linda from Nevada. Just hanging out with Rambo again. I know that a lot of you guys like my cat videos. He's just doing what he wants to do. See, I got up. See, he likes to play with the napkin too. Look. There you go. He thinks he can eat something. I just had my lunch. Now he's eating my paper. You don't eat the paper. I shouldn't have given that to you, huh? He likes staying by me all the time. He's a good cat. He makes me very happy to be with him. Take off my reading glasses here. He's so good to be a good he's a good cat. I know that I don't have that much um equipment to edit and all this stuff. So I'm just doing this from my phone right now. If anybody has any comments of how to or help me out by what I could do from editing from my phone with music or anything else, please comment below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification button for more um, interesting videos. Please look at my TikTok videos that I've been posting. Nobody's been watching them. And I feel a little sad about that. I know it's me. I don't know if you don't. Just tell me if you don't like them or not. And I'll stop posting. So I'll see you in my next video. Say goodbye, Rambo. Oh, he's too busy doing what he wants to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.